Tired of talking to crickets on your podcast? Let's rocket your podcast's listenership using the best practices for Buzzsprout. First, optimize for search engines. Craft compelling episode titles and detailed descriptions that include relevant keywords people use to find podcasts like yours. Buzzsprout's platform lets you easily update these details. Make changes now. Next, supercharge your promotion with social media. Always promote new episodes and repurpose your content. Create engaging posts with eye-catching visuals, share clips, and include a direct link to your Buzzsprout hosted podcast. Use relevant hashtags to widen your reach. Remember to engage with your audience. Encourage listener engagement. Ask for reviews and ratings within your episodes. This helps with discoverability. Respond to comments and messages from your listeners. Answer questions and build a community with your audience. Creating a connection with your listeners will help you grow and retain listeners. Utilize cross-promotion. Team up with another podcaster to swap mentions or even guest appearances. Leverage Buzzsprout's cross-promotion feature to easily suggest listens to similar podcasts. This expands your audience to new folks and benefits everyone. Finally, consistency is key. Publish episodes regularly and build content that suits your audience. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your listening numbers and converting them into enthusiastic fans.